Oh, jeez. I hope my windshield's not frozen. Well? Oh, I can't even see you. It's so dark out. I don't have an ice scraper in my car yet, so thank goodness we're a couple minutes ahead of schedule because we're gonna need to be patient here while we get the car heated up. It is 30 degrees here in Michigan, headed to a little December Cars and Coffee. Since everything is closed, our governor said so. It's a little DIY coffee action, bringing it from home, so little home brewed cafe. Gonna be meeting everybody at M22 Detailing, convoying over to the meeting spot, which we're going to be 6 feet apart, being safe, and looking at everybody's cars. Should be a beautiful day. Sun is about to rise here. Cheers. Snow just makes the lighting so much better. First to arrive, the cavalry should be shortly behind. In the shop today, Carson's car, not quite sure if it's making it out. To be quite honest, I have not talked to him this morning. It's a little early for him, but the A6 is going. Let's fix the lighting, and it's just perfect. A6 coming with Evan. Did not get his trim fixed, but he has door handles now, which is super cool because he didn't before. Actually, no, no, they're not all on yet. But he's coming here in his truck. I think he is bringing the A6 to Carson Coffee. Carson, like I said, not sure, but my car is in the parking lot and we're waiting for everybody to get here. Going to be convoying up. Ooh, baby, people arriving. Sunday morning. Welcome to the shop. What can I do for you? How do you get this car so dirty already?
Oh, because it hasn't been washed in 2 weeks.
Nasty. I like the VMRs. Yeah, no problem, man. You taking a, what is that?
I think it's trying the disposable app again.
A disposable of my car?
I've tried to use it again.
You can never shake the paparazzi, bro. Thank you. Only car with snow on it, man. E39 540, man. with the M5 wheels.
Whoa!
That thing is cool. Those
Should we
are
do a little car rating? Should we go around and do a car
for every single one.
rating? Yeah.
I think we should. Dude, these 540s are actually so cool. And they hold their value
Let's see
well.
what transmission this car has.
It's a Manny.
Oh, I'll give this car an 8.5 out of 10.
That's about what I was going to give it too. A little chilly for top-down driving, but
with a straight pipe, I'd give it a 10 out of 10.
well, that's easy. I think we should get a shop 540
Yeah.
or a V8 S5. That's what I was talking
540
about.
would be cool because it'd be cheaper.
Ooh, this is the spoiler I had.
Oh, this is the same one.
Yeah, always have a soft spot for white E90s.
Stage 2, downpipes, muffler delete, coilovers, bunch of stuff. This car is pretty built.
Ooh, and it's X-Drive. That's big time. That may be the biggest wang I've ever seen.
That hood's actually pretty.
I want to go check it out. This whole wing is carbon.
It's an APR wing.
Ooh, I do like the colors. That's well done.
That's pretty cool.
Oh! Didn't even see you there, buddy. Little spin action there.
Wow.
That thing spun a lot.
Burns. Oh, look at.
Oh, he's doing a pull. Last Cars and Coffee of the year. What were your thoughts?
It was fun. Smaller crowd. Freezing. But other than that, it was a good time.
Yeah, it was a little chilly, but that was fun. I mean, it's literally 31 degrees right now. So it is freezing technically, and we had a Cars and Coffee. Good turnout, I mean, I guess, for December 6th. So that's pretty cool. That RS3 launch was probably the highlight of the day, to be honest. I was getting a traction warning. I don't know if you guys saw in that video. Oh, also before we're done here, a quick reminder, the giveaway is still active for 5 days. So if you have not already entered the giveaway, 3 quick things you have to do. Just be subscribed to the channel. Go follow my Instagram at S5KevG. And go tag one person on this photo. I'll put it on the screen right now. Good luck to everybody who's already entered. I'm excited to be giving away some of those detailing products. Guys, until next time, see you in the next video. Adios.